Hello student, today in this video we will discuss how to add or subtract two or more decimals. Let us take some example. Add 36.4, 273.06, 9.397 and 68. Now first convert all the decimal into like decimal. So here number of decimal places, maximum number of decimal places are 3, and in this digit maximum number of decimal places 2 and 1. So we convert all the decimal into like decimal. 36.4 convert into 36.400. Here we put 20 in the decimal part. 273.06 convert into 273.060. 9.397 will remain same, 9.397. Next 68 convert into 68.000. Now write all the decimals in column, okay, in such a way that the decimal points of all the decimals are in same column. Here see, all the decimal points are in same column. Now add these decimals as we add the whole number. Here 7, 6 plus 9, 15. So we write 5 and 1 carry. Next 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Now point. Ignore the decimal point, okay, and add as we add whole number. Next 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18 and 18 plus 8, 26. 6 and 2 carry. Next 3 plus 7, 10 plus 6, 16, 18, right, 8, 1 carry and 3. Lastly, put the decimal point in the sum. Put the decimal point in the sum under the decimal points of all the decimal. So, under the decimal points of all the decimal means here we put decimal point. And the answer is 386.857. Next example, subtract 47.56 from 83.2. First, convert all the decimal to the like decimal. Here, number of decimal places 2 and number of decimal places is 1 in this decimal. So, firstly, we have to convert this into like fraction. 83.2 convert into 83.20. We put 0 in the decimal part. And 47.56 will remain same, 47.56. Now, when we subtract, write a smaller decimal number under the larger number in the column. So here 47.56 and 83.2. Which one is larger? Compare these two numbers. When we compare two decimal, first we compare whole part. So here whole part is 47 and here whole part is 83. So whole number part 83 is greater than 47. Then write 83.20 and a smaller number under the larger number. So 47.56. Arrange these number and remember the digits of the same places are in the same column, and then subtract. When we subtract from the right, and the answer is 4, 6, 3. Now put the decimal point here under the decimal points of all decimal. So we put point here. So the answer is 35.64. Next question. How much less is 28.8 kilometer than 42.3 kilometer? Here we have to find the difference. So compare these two decimal number, compare whole number part. 42 is greater than 28. So write 28.8 kilometer under the larger number, okay, 42.3 kilometer, and then subtract. Hence the required difference is 13.5 kilometer. Next question. Shyama bought 4 kg 350 gram potato, 3 kg 80 gram tomato and some onions. Okay. If the total weight of the 3 vegetables is, total weight is 10 kg 200 grams. What is the weight of the onion? Total weight of all vegetables 10 kg 200 gram. 10.200 gram. We write it as 10.200 kgs. Weight of potato 4 kg 350 gram. Weight of tomato 3 kg 80 grams. Now weight of onion is equal weight of all vegetables minus here weight of potato and tomato. First add the weight of potato and tomato, then subtract from the total weight of the vegetable. So 2.770 kg. Hence the weight of the onion is 2 kg 770 grams.